Hey folks, so today I'm going to be setting up my new Amazfit smartwatch, guiding you through the process. It's actually a really simple one. So first things first, the watch should come with some battery charge straight out of the box, which is always helpful. And all you need to do is hold the side button down for a couple of seconds to get this turned on for the first time. And now we just need to follow the prompts. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and select my language, and then it's going to want us to pair with our smartphone. Now, I myself am using an iPhone, but you can also do this with an Android device. And all you need to do is tap the tick button here, and this will take you to a QR code. If you scan this just with your standard camera app on your phone, it will allow you to go directly to where the app is you need to download on the store. It is called the Zep app, and then you can open the app, set up and sign into your free account. And once you've done this, you can scan that QR code again, this time from within the app itself, and that will then initiate automatic pairing between the phone and the watch. And then you just need to wait a few seconds whilst everything connects, and no issues for me. That happened first time and I am good to go. Now, actually putting the watch on is also simple enough. Just choose which wrist you want it on, and then you need to hook the band through the top part of the loop here. Then you can connect that to the size that you want it to be. And once you've locked that into place, you can actually hide the rest of this excess band away by hooking it under the second loop so that it fits nicely on your wrist. It's a very clean and comfortable fit, and so far I've been really impressed with the Amazfit smartwatch. So hopefully this little guide has helped you guys out. Thanks for watching.